Here we are at the top of the hike. Met some new people and we're going to change the flag out. Let's go.
Right on.
God bless America.